let's learn how you can stop seeing random people's stories on Snapchat. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every phone. Now without any delay, let us start by opening our Snapchat application. You will have to go to this people section and click on three dots. Now you will see these three options. As you can see, the last option is unhide friend story suggestions. Now I already hide it, but I hide it, and as you can see, people instantly appeared. If we repeat the process again, so three dots and click on last option and click on hide, a lot of people will be removed. Now you can't remove everything. Also discover you can't remove that. What you can also remove is if you go to your profile and click on settings, scroll down, you will see show me in quick add. This will disable, this will prevent people to see you in quick add options. You can also click on view my story and click on just my friends, so others won't be able to see your story if they are not your friend. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.